Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how can you download MySQL on your Windows. So for downloading it, search on Google MySQL download. Now go to this link MySQL downloads. Now scroll down and then go to this link MySQL community downloads. Now here you can see MySQL installer for Windows. So here you have to select your version, which is by default is selected. You have to select your operating system, which is by default selected as Microsoft Windows. Now click on this link, Windows MSI installer. So now click on no thanks. So here you can see the downloader has been downloaded. Now double click it. Just wait. So if any pop-up shows, click on yes. So here you can see the installer is installing. So here you can see, as I have already installed the MySQL on my computer, so this is showing as this. So this is how you can install MySQL on your Windows. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.